Okay, so now that we have our files that we've created, whether it was in the camera app right on the computer, or if we have a Zoom video we recorded, whatever the reason, we want to trim it up a little bit and we want to do a little bit of editing to it. We're not going through and doing any like major super editing, but we're going to be able to put a couple video files together or take some bits and pieces off. For instance, if we have a Zoom meeting and we want to cut out some of that chit chat that's at the beginning before we really get going, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to use the photo app that's on the computer. So you're going to click on the start button here and go down to photos, and we're going to open that up. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go find our video files. So up here on the top right, we're going to import a folder. So we're going to go find our video files from somewhere on our computer. I've been saving, I'm going to use a Zoom video, so I'm going to saving those on my Google Drive file stream. So we're going to pick one here that we know has some files into it. And we're going to import that folder into the computer. Let's see here. I know I've already pulled that one in. Let's do this one here. We're going to add the folder. So I've selected the folder I want. I'm going to add the folder to pictures. Give it a second here. And then I'm going to come up here to the top right. Well, that one actually did it, but we're going to refresh. If it doesn't automatically pull in any MP4 files, we just want to hit refresh so that we've got that. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go to the video editor. And I'm going to do a new video project. So it's telling me my stuff's empty. So I'm going to call this, and give it a name, whatever I want to call it. And we're going to pull in some videos. So I want to add from my collection. This will pull all the videos that I've already pulled in. So I'm not going to pull that one in there. I'm going to pull this one in. I'm not sure what that one is, but I'm going to pull it in. And we're going to bring it in here. I can bring it down to my storyboard. It's 8 minutes long, and I want to trim this video. So I clicked on the little trim button, and I'm going to slide this over. And I see this black part at the beginning. I don't want that, so I'm going to cut that out. And I don't want the end part here. And so I can see what's going on, what I'm doing here. This dot allows me to see what's going on. So that is me from the other day. Once I've got it trimmed, I just hit done here. I can pull in other video pieces. So if I have some that are webcam and I have some that are document camera, I can take and put those two videos together into a final project if I wanted to do that. So I would, if I wanted to pull in another video, I would hit add from my collection, pull that in, oops, hit add, and then I could just drop that on the storyboard right next to it, and I can decide to trim that one right as well. I can split it, which means cut, and put something else inside the middle. So if I'm doing that document camera insert, I can do that as well. Put some background music, all of those things, so I can create a little bit of a video here. When I'm finished, this is the important part, I want to hit this finish video button up here. What this will do is it will put it all together, finish it up, and make a new video. High quality is not a bad idea. Just make sure you have room on your computer to do it. And then we're not going to worry about more options. We're going to hit export. It's going to ask me where I want to save this. If you have Google Drive on your computer, save it there so that it's not taking up space on your computer. Otherwise, by default, it's going to save it into the pictures folder. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to leave it where it is, and we're going to hit export. And it's going to export my video. This will take, depending on how long the video that I'm putting together is, it'll take that much time to render it and export it into one solid file. Once I'm done with this, I'll be able to take that new MP4 file and upload that and share it with whomever I need to share it with. So that is how you will edit a video using the software that's native to your computer.